If your garage is cluttered with tools, paint cans, cleaning supplies, or random hardware, then a proper storage cabinet can completely transform your space. Today we're reviewing the Aobabo Garage Storage Cabinet with Door Pegboard, a lockable metal cabinet featuring 5 adjustable shelves and a built-in pegboard design on the doors. It's designed for garage, workshop, and home storage use. But is it sturdy enough? And is it worth assembling? Let's find out. Right away, this cabinet has a clean, professional look with its black metal finish. It's made from steel, which gives it a solid feel compared to plastic storage units. The powder-coated surface helps resist scratches and rust, which is important in garage environments where moisture and dust can be common. The double-door design opens wide for easy access, and the integrated pegboard panels on the inside of the doors add extra functionality without taking up more floor space. While it's not industrial warehouse grade, it's definitely built strong enough for typical home garage and workshop use. One of the biggest selling points is the 5 adjustable shelves. This allows you to customize the interior spacing depending on what you're storing. Whether it's tall bottles, toolboxes, power tools, or bins, you can reposition the shelves to fit your needs. That flexibility is important because garage storage needs tend to change over time. The cabinet provides vertical storage, which helps maximize space in smaller garages. Instead of stacking items on the floor, everything can be organized neatly behind closed doors. The pegboard doors are a major bonus. You can hang small tools like screwdrivers, pliers, wrenches, and other frequently used items right on the inside of the doors. This makes access quick and convenient while keeping tools visible and organized. It's a smart use of otherwise unused space and adds extra value compared to standard storage cabinets. For DIYers and hobbyists, this feature alone makes it stand out. Another important feature is that the cabinet is lockable. If you store expensive tools, chemicals, or equipment that you want to keep away from kids or unauthorized access, this adds an extra layer of security. It's especially useful in shared garages, workshops, or small business environments. This cabinet does require assembly, and that's something to keep in mind. Assembly typically takes some time and basic tools, but the instructions are straightforward. Having an extra set of hands can make the process easier since metal panels can be bulky. Once assembled correctly, it feels stable and secure. If you're comfortable assembling furniture or shelving units, this shouldn't be a major issue. Overall, the Aobabo Garage Storage Cabinet is a practical and versatile storage solution for homeowners looking to organize their garage or workshop. The adjustable shelves and door pegboard add flexibility and functionality, while the lockable design improves safety and security. If you want a cleaner, more organized garage without spending a fortune on custom storage systems, this cabinet is definitely worth considering. If this review helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments.